Welcome back to the channel, Wide Body Life. We're back at it again here today. It's a Sunday morning early here in Huntington Beach, California. We're on our way to Quarantine Cruise 29. Haven't been to one of these in a while, so we're going to go over and check this one out. We've been going to Super Cars by the Sea that happen on the same day every month. But today I decided to go ahead and go over to this Quarantine Cruise. So we're going to get over there and check it out. As always, we're in the 2020 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack Wide Body. We're going to do some pulls, go on the rally, make some noise, see if we can't have some fun. So let's get going. Little downshift. Oh, pull, here we go. Woo! Just like that. Woo! All right, we're just pulling up to the starting point here. As you can see, there's always a line of cars getting in here. I haven't been to this event in a while. Usually go over to Supercars by the Sea, which is happening right now too, but over on the beach. But decided to come on this one this morning so we could go for a little bit of a ride, drive the car around a little bit instead of just sitting there and looking at it and watching all the supercars do high-speed pulls. We're gonna go do some of our own. Get in this mess, see if we can't make some noise and do some high-speed pulls.
Baby.
What's happening? How's it going?
Doing good, bud.
Good.
Yeah, Brian Adams.
We take a quick walk around here. We won't go too far. Take a quick walk around here. Take a look at some of the cars that are here. Of course, there's Wide Body Life, the 2020 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack Wide Body. This place is always crazy. It's just full of friggin' cars. Goes all the way back down over there in that region, way over there. A couple hundred yards that way, all full of cars. All this is full of cars. Here's some you don't see a lot of over here. Classic Ferrari 355. This is usually a classic car event. Few modern cars, you never hardly ever see a Ferrari. Still rolling in. Corvette. That looks like a Ferrari. Go over another row or two here, call it good. We'll just wait for the start. Chevy truck row. C10s and Blazers. Ford truck row. Brand new Bronco. Lots of new Broncos. Lots of old Broncos. Hi, come get a picture. Hi. Hi. Come get a picture. No? Okay. It's okay.
Oh yeah, we opened all these new stores. We opened like X amount of new stores.
Oh, wow. Look at these two. Wow. You can't help it. You gotta look. Wow. Look at these guys. Look at these guys. Wow.
Look at the deck.
Aren't they incredible? Look at these guys. Look how big they are. Wow.
I hate to say it like this, but I'm gonna say it. Somebody need a fashion tip, dude.
Hi, guys. Huh.
So I ain't wrong, right?
Amazing. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Wow.
Kiss at them. They'll look good.
They're amazing. Oh my God, look at your face. What a cutie. They're incredible. Hi, guys. Whoa, big. Look how big they are.
This your car? Yeah.
They're amazing. What are their names?
That's Vinny and that's Sonny Black.
Fantastic.
Vincenzo.
Oh, that's great. This was a car show and not a dog show. I apologize, but those dogs are amazing. Their names are Sonny Black and Vincenzo. Another Ferrari. Arrow coupe. Well, I'd like to have this. Cut it all up, make it into a street legal stock car. Oh, that'd be the shit right there. Very rare car. That thing's cool. I love it. Now we're down on the heading on the cruise portion of the day. We're heading south on Harbor Boulevard through Costa Mesa at the moment, heading towards Pacific Coast Highway, then down along Pacific Coast Highway and over to someplace in Long Beach. Surrounded here by rally cars. You can see them there, and you can also see them behind me. Back there, both sides. Transition down here almost to the end of Harbor Boulevard, still in Costa Mesa, but we're getting close to Newport, and that's the danger zone for cruisers and hot rods and guys on rallies. Newport cops love to sit and wait for us. They know we're coming, so we'll see what happens when we get down there. So I'm sure it won't get all of us. There's 1,000 cars here, but somebody's going to get it. One of these louder, more extreme cars probably, but you can see the line. These are all cruise cars right here. All these Broncos, all these cars in front of me. These are all cruise cars right here. But the danger zone is coming. All right, here we are driving into Newport Beach. We're on Newport Boulevard right now, about to make a right onto Pacific Coast Highway and head towards Huntington. Danger zone, danger. Let's see who gets nailed here. Maybe not, I'm not sure. It's hard to tell from this distance. It could be just one of these other motorcycle riders. But there could be a guy right up there. Right up there. Could be. Alright, we're on Pacific Coast Highway now. Right here by Huntington State Beach. And it might be time for some pulls. I think it's time for some pulls. What do you say? Shall we stretch this thing out a little bit here? Just went by Supercars by the Sea right there. They're all standing there watching me go flying by. Coming into Huntington Beach here. Pretty slow through here. We'll have another couple opportunities for some pulls up here. But right now we're going through downtown Huntington and it is slow up here. No big deal. There it is, downtown Huntington, right there. Hi. Well, all right, moved into Seal Beach now from Huntington, Sunset Beach. Now we're in Seal Beach. Heading for whatever the rally point is up here. I'm just following most of these cars. I can't even see where they're going yet, but we're in Seal Beach now. A little too much traffic for any pulls on PCH there. Maybe we'll do some later on the way back, but for now, couldn't do any. It was just too much traffic. Look at that truck vibrating on this car. Look at that. Look at that. Of course, they got to do it. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. I'm like a tunnel to make a pull. Coming into the in location here near the Long Beach Airport. LBX, whatever that is. But here we are, coming into the end here. Never been here before. This used to be Douglas Aircraft years ago, but it's clearly not anymore. These people are probably freaking out. They don't know what all these hot rods will do to a place like this. Set it on its friggin' ear. All right, we made it here. We're at the Long Beach LBX. Kind of like a restaurant place. Lots of stuff here, lots of shops. But we've made it. We're going to take a little quick walk around and then move on to something else. Well, that's it for Quarantine Cruise 29. I'm going to roll it up, head out of here. It's starting to get hot out here in the sun. If you haven't already done so, hit the like, hit the subscribe, share the videos, tell everybody about it. We've got more stuff coming soon. Until then, see ya.